So in this Google Sheets tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add a drop-down list with colors here on Google Sheets. So first thing you have to do is select a group of cells that you want to add the drop-down list to. So how about I just go from B2 to B15. Once it's highlighted, go to the top to where it says data, and then go down to where it says data validation, and then press on the right side here, add rule. Now, right now, it'll default to the drop-down list criteria. So if you wanted to go ahead and add some options here, we can add yes, we can add no, and how about we add another item, and we'll go with maybe. Now, right beside this is where you can add the colors here. So if you wanted yes to be green, if you wanted no to be red, and if you wanted maybe to be yellow, that's how you guys can add colors that way. Now, as you can tell, this is the way the drop-down list sort of looks like. If you were to go ahead and press advanced options right here and scroll down, you can then change the display style. So there's chip, there's arrow, and then there's plain text. So if you wanted to make this arrow right here or chip, you can go ahead and do whatever you want. And once that is done, everything looks good to you. Go ahead and press done. Now, if we were to go to the drop-down list right here and select yes, it'll then make it color coded as we kind of did before. And you can change the colors and do whatever you have to do in this situation. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add a drop-down list with colors in Google Sheets. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.